Josh has the ability to commence execution on other allocated work items while executing another work item. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about simultaneous execution. The ability for a resource to execute more than one work item simultaneously. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here we have the flash animation, we start it now, and it says Josh has the ability to commence execution on other allocated work items while executing another work item. So we have currently two work items, prepare defense and interview witnesses, executing, and we can complete them in any order. In YAWL we can implement this by a user privilege called start work items concurrently. You can see this here behind me in the participant dialog of the YAWL administrator. To make it completely concurrent, we can open two browser windows for the same user and even open two work items at the same time. So we have the admin window on the top. The specification called defense is already loaded. The specification is down here. It starts by gather evidence. And we now start two cases for the defense workflow. And we have two separate browser windows running different sessions for Josh. So we are in both windows we are logged in with Josh. And if we refresh the work list, we can now see that we have gather evidence for case ID 9 and 10 in both windows. So if we start gather evidence in one of the windows here, because Josh has the privilege start work items concurrently, we can also start another work item called gather evidence here in another window, and we can even open them concurrently and work on them concurrently and then fill them in one by one, and then it goes on. The YAWL specification that I have used here is in the supplementary material. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Thank you for watching.